and I smoke a third get. Sipping down, she need some more breath. I got smoke all in the air. Fuck this up and you get left. If you on my
everybody, this is Kim Got Kicks and I'm back at it with another video today. Today we'll be doing a review on the Aleali made Jordan 14 Fortune. So I got this pack in about I don't know, sometime last week I got this pack in. This shoe, when I first saw it, I was like, I have to have it. I have no Aleali made collaboration shoes. Most of her shoes go up significantly in price over time. She normally releases, well, she pretty much only releases women's only shoes, meaning it's going to be women's sizing and women are going to have first priority at getting the shoe. So we're going to take a quick little look at the box and the details, and then we're going to get into the shoe. The first thing we have is the box. It is a jade / mint green color, and on the front of it, it does have her signature right there. Then on the back you have like her little logo thing, and it's like the colorway of the Khalifa ones. And then we have our size tag, which reads Women's Air Jordan 14 RTR Low SP. The colorway is light sand, and yeah, light sand / light sand - white. I got a size 7 and these were $190 retail. I paid about $206 because I did opt in for the 2-day shipping. So there's that. Now, when you open the box, it's a little different, little upgrade. You do receive this gold metallic paper versus like the white Jordan paper that we normally see on a release. And it's like a foil type of thing. And then here's the star of today. I'm going to pull these out. So we have the shoe here. As you can see, it is a Jordan 14 low. It has the lower cut instead of the higher cut. This shoe is called Fortune. The reason why it's called Fortune is because in her words, she says that the Jordan 14 represents luxury. Some of you may know, some of you may not know that the Jordan 14 is based after the Ferrari, which was Michael Jordan's favorite car. We have the gold hits. You know, gold always represents, you know, luxury, money. It wraps all the way under the shoe. And then you have this marbling all around the midsole. You have this marbling, and also on the tongue. Now this marbling represents jade, like the stone jade. When she was younger, Aleali's first piece of jewelry was a piece of jade, so she wanted to incorporate that into this shoe, and I think that's really dope to incorporate, you know, something that means something to her into this shoe, instead of just, you know, throwing colors together because it looks good. It actually has a meaning for it. You know, I think that's really dope. I've never really seen a marble on a Jordan 14. They do come with another set of laces. You get the they're calling this color sail or sand. You get that color laces with it. They come standard with the black laces, and they do have gold tips, and the extra pair also comes with gold tips as well. This shoe all around is just, it's a beautiful shoe. This is my first collaboration shoe by her. She's the only female with a Jordan brand collaboration, especially with numerous shoes. So yeah, I really like this. We have the Jordan right there on the front, and then we have the 14 behind there. And on the inside, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this or not, but it's a blacked out inside with her signature down in the insole. This shoe is super dope. It has really good quality suede on there, and it is that suede that, like, you know, moves or whatever. Not sure how that will, you know, hold up over time. Not sure if it will, you know, mess up or anything like that, but it seems to be a pretty good quality material, so I don't think that, you know, anything would mess it up. Then you have your, it's like the Ferrari sign on your shoe. It's a Jumpman that's white with gold trimming around it and a little bit of more of that jade across the top. On the back, it just says Jordan going up. It's the same on both of these shoes. So personally, well, so here's the kicker about this shoe. I'm actually not gonna keep this shoe for my personal wear. I did want this shoe, and I might still, you know, go back and get it, but my mom really wanted this shoe. My mom, she likes shoes as well. She likes shoes, but really, she just be liking what I be getting. But she wanted these as well, and I ended up getting them off of the sneakers app. She did not hit, so I'm going to give her these. So these won't be in my collection, but they'll still be really close. They'll be at my house. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna go back and get this shoe for myself. It's not that much over retail. If I'm not mistaken, they may be hanging around like $220 for resale right now. So that's not, you know, that's not bad at all, considering that they did release at a $190 price point. So I am gonna go back and get this shoe, but this is for my mama. I have to make sure that she's laced at all times. Gotta make sure that she's laced. I have all these shoes, and she likes shoes, so I'm trying to get her, you know, some hot shoes other than general releases. But overall, this is a really, really solid sneaker. I'm not gonna, this is a hard one. I really want to call this collaboration of the year, but I don't know, women's collaboration of the year. I don't know, because you have the I'm in years, so that's gonna be a tough call. But this is definitely one of the hottest shoes of the year for me. This is definitely gonna make my top 10 at the end of the year. This shoe will, especially like just to be able to get this shoe for retail is a blessing, because you know it's a collaboration shoe. Even though it didn't have that much hype around it, it's just something about hitting on a women's exclusive and being a woman, and Nike really making sure that these shoes get into the hands of those who actually want them. So that's gonna be it for this review. Just short, simple, and sweet. Not too much to talk about here. Overall, very classic shoe. It looks really good. Y'all might have seen some B-roll at the beginning of the video. I'm gonna roll a little bit more and let y'all really get a look into these. As always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Have some content coming soon. Gotta get consistent. I know I keep saying that, but I'm really about to get consistent, really about to lock in and make sure that you guys are in the loop and in the know for everything that's about to drop, how to get it, all of that, because I'm here to make sure that you guys can cop for retail. That's what I'm all about. It's helping people cop for retail. Well, of course, like I sell a little bit, but y'all are my subscribers, so of course I'm going to give y'all the tips and tricks on what I do to get these shoes and to ensure that you guys are successful when going after these shoes. So thank you for watching. Cut the camera.
Give me a I want day, just stay. Close your eyes, no shed no tears. Keep it dark, close the shade. I'm off the pills, you want that lean.